Alrighty, one more. Example 4. In the diagram below, we have TPQ and triangle SRQ, TPQ, and SRQ. Angle T maps onto angle S, and then angle P maps onto angle R, and TQP maps onto SQR. Those are vertical angles if you remember from Unit 1. So they're congruent as well. 1, 2, 3. Cool. So we have 3 angles that are congruent. Again, if we're using our notes, we can see that angle is not a means to get congruency. Here's the reason why. If we extend this line out, and we extend this line out, and we make it so that this line is parallel to this line, and that this angle is congruent to that one, and this angle is congruent to that one. These 3 angles are still the same, but the triangles are not the same size. So no, we cannot prove that those angles are congruent. No, angle is not enough to prove congruent. So if you want to pause the video and get that written down, that's example 4. I'm just going to condense the last 2 videos here. I'm at 2 minutes, got enough time. And there is the angle exploration in that GeoGebra if you want to check that out. For example 5, we have this diagram. We have WXZ and YZX. WX maps onto YZ. And ZX maps onto itself. And WXZ maps onto YZX. Okay, so looking at this, we have 2 sides and an angle. 2 sides and an angle. So if we're looking up here, we do have one that has 2 sides and an angle, so let's take a look. We have a side, an angle, and then another side. This angle is contained by these 2 sides. So that is side angle side congruency. Let's try the equation editor one more time. So yes, text, yes, comma, space, delta, WXZ is congruent to delta YZX, space, text, by angle, or side, angle, side, by some SAS. Okay? So these are congruent by side, angle, side. And again, if there's any of these that you want to explore, there is that GeoGebra. So that's the last one. Enjoy. There is angle, side, but we didn't do an exercise for it. It's the same principle though.